Hey guys, um, it's been a little bit. So I know I said I was gonna make a tutorial on this if you guys asked. You guys asked, um, 4 years ago,
Oh
but
my
it's okay
god,
because I'm
bro.
here now to show you guys how to do this. We're gonna be doing a little tutorial on the backwards man. This is what it looks like when you get it right. I'm not gonna be getting it right very much in this video. No, I'm just kidding. You can go really fast with it. If I'm not mistaken, it actually is the fastest speed glitch in the game. I'm trying to learn the forwards man right now. I kind of suck at it though. But yeah, I guess let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I guess before anything, what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm just gonna show you guys my settings. I don't know how much it matters for the backwards man, to be honest. It might not matter at all, but I'm gonna just do it anyways. I know it matters for some other ones, but I got my stance as goofy, just because I don't know. I just wanted it like that. My style is standard, and my posture is hunched. If I'm not mistaken, straight actually gets you the most speed out of this, but hunched will work just fine. So yeah, let's get into the exciting part. So essentially, what you want to do to start the glitch is you don't want to be on your board. So you're going to just hold it in your hand and you're going to throw it away from you. We don't need it for right now. We're going to need it in a second, but just now right now. So then what you're going to do is you're going to tap your jump button, either X or square. So just tap it like this and your dude will jump. Believe it or not, that is what the jump button does. So he'll jump up in the air like that, and when he's at the peak of the jump, or like the absolute second he starts falling down, we're gonna tap our right bumper. You don't gotta do it long, just a quick little boop right there. You'll see his right arm kind of flicks upwards like that. You can kind of see it like right there. And so once we're doing that, we want to call our board back right before we hit the ground. The timing is a little weird. It can vary by like a little bit. Like you could be a little late on the like arm flick and it'll still be okay. But the most important part is the timing of calling your board back, because if you do it too late, you're going to fall on the ground, and if you do it too early, then you're just going to land on your board and nothing's going to happen. So you want to time it just right, where in between the arm flick and the calling your board back, you'll see your board kind of does like a circular motion in the air. You might be able to see it. Just kind of like flies away for a second, then comes back. So that's where the speed comes from. But yeah, it's really just a timing based thing. Once you get the muscle memory down, it's kind of hard to forget. It kind of just like clicks in your brain, and it becomes a lot easier. So yeah, it's really just one of those things. You got to practice it. Takes time. I don't remember how long it took me to learn it. I want to say like a day of just straight like trying and trying and trying and trying and trying until I was actually finally able to get it. But yeah, once you get it, man, it's a lot of fun. I'm gonna go over a few other things about this real quick. Depending on like your timing, sometimes you can see my board kind of like sometimes it'll fly around like it did just then, but sometimes it'll go like straight up and down and like send me straight backwards. I think that's really just based on the timing of when you like flick your arm. I mean, you'll still get speed, but like sometimes the board will send you a little off to the right or a little off to the left or just straight backwards. It really just kind of depends. The timing to do this in like online free skate matches and stuff is a little different. I was playing like free skate last night, and it's harder for me at least. I think it's just because you're connected to servers and stuff. The timing can be a little different. I should also mention that doing this glitch, sometimes you will go so fast that you hit the speed limit in game, and your character will like instantly reset. That's normal. It's kind of annoying because you'll get like a really good speed glitch, but you're going too fast, so the game resets you. I know quite a few other speed glitches in this game, so let me know down below if you want me to do. There's one, I don't know what this is called, but this is probably like one of my favorites. This one is pretty cool. It's also really easy. I taught it to my friend last night, and he doesn't do a lot of glitches in Skate 3, and he was able to pick it up within like probably 10, 20 minutes. So this one's also really easy. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on that one. And yeah, here is y'all's long-awaited tutorial. Sorry it took so long. Kind of just slipped my mind, I guess. And we'll do it one more time to close it out. There we go. It was alright. But yeah, that's the tutorial. If you guys have any questions in the comments, just let me know, and I'll answer them in a few years. No, I'm just kidding. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Go play Skate 3. Goodbye.